are an investor in photonics, you'll recognize where I'm standing. Hello from Frankfurt Messe, which will be the venue for the ECOC Conference 2024, and it's the 50th time that the European Conference on Optical Communications will be organized. Now, you may know that Optica is an official media partner with ECOC. We contribute to their events like the top conference in London, and they help to support our events around the world. And when it comes to the ECOC Conference 2024 in September, we have a lot planned for the more than 6,000 people and 300 companies, many of them Optica corporate members, expected to show up. Optica will contribute to the sessions, we will do the live interviews on the exhibition floor, and we will organize the annual Optica VIP ECOC reception for our corporate members. But it's going to be a little bit different this year. Since we are at the financial capital of Europe and many of our corporate members are looking for investment and investing opportunities, let me show you the spectacular location we have found. I am at the Osten, next to the main river and in front of the European Central Bank, and this will be the location for the Optica Executive Reception at ECOC 2024 on September 23rd. I am in Montreal, Canada, and behind me is the CHUM Hospital, one of the most important hospitals in this country. This will be the host of the Optica MedTech Industry Summit next 8th October. Do you know that it takes about 10 years to put photonic innovation into the medical market? Bringing technology to save lives in photonics is the biggest valley of death. How can we solve this? In our opinion, we need to create a forum of discussion between companies developing photonics technology, medical doctors, policymakers, and regulatory institutions. Let's do that at a different hospital every year, and let's start right now. On the 8th and 9th of October, the CHUM Hospital will host companies from all over the world at executive level discussing their photonics technology, their roadmap towards medical trials, and which companies can play a role to help them get there faster. See you in Montreal on the 8th of October.